Hi, I'm Kevin Sjostrom. I am co-chair with Jeff Smith of the Buildings and Grounds Committee. We've been asked to give you a behind-the-scenes tour of our new heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system. That's HVAC for short. Work was almost complete as of the last week in June, which is a couple of weeks earlier than we expected when work started in January. All the major components are installed and controls are being installed and adjusted. Final adjustments on the heating components won't be able to be done until cool weather arrives in the fall. But in the meantime, Brett and the office staff are enjoying our new ductless air conditioning and heating units. These units are highly efficient, and especially during weekdays, using them is a way more efficient anyway than running this big air conditioning condenser. Now, this is a new unit. It's new and about 15% more efficient than the old one, and it can be used when we meet on hot Sunday mornings next summer in the sanctuary. The heat from these new boilers will be circulated with the new air handler system. And here's our new air handler. Even though no one ever sees it, it's new and shiny. In the old part of the building, where the classrooms and the choir room are located, we have more ductless air conditioning and heating units. They can be used more efficiently in the fall and the spring when the weather doesn't get cold enough to fire up the new hot air furnaces. When the weather gets really cold and the new furnaces are fired up, they will be more efficient, not only from a fuel use standpoint, but also because the reconfigured and newly insulated ducts won't lose as much heat as the old ducts. We still have to pay for this, of course. You'll hear more about that later. For now, our building is more comfortable, more efficient, and better for the environment. Thanks to the B&G committee, thanks to the office staff and Brett and to Jean, who put up with all the mess. And call me if you want a personal tour.